Ladies and gentlemen, look at the sprinkles falling from the heaven. This is the Irish cream fudge. Yes. Okay, let us begin. We start off with Irish cream and confectioner's sugar. All right, this is an interesting mix, okay? Obviously, this is in the dessert category. You see the amount of sugar in that? But like we mix the two together, okay? I know you're going, well, Sky, won't the booze disappear? No, they won't disappear. The booze is still in there because the booze is what's making that soupy looking liquid. Okay, chocolate chips. Should I call it soupy? No, hey. Okay, and then we melt these chocolate chips, right? And then we add that to our mix as well. So we get that in there. Beautiful. We need to sell some candies like this. What do you think? Some boozy candies. Stir, 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 stir. Not a problem with boozy candies, guys. America's liquor laws are so crazy. Like each state has its own rules. So if you were to start a liquor brand, like right off the bat, you're not gonna be able to just ship to any state. You have to get all kinds of permission from this one and that one, and finally expand. They make liquor difficult, dude. Trust me, okay? So we put down some foil paper. Oh, we can bake this little bad boy. Are we? No, we're not gonna bake it. I think we can just let it sit there. That's right. We're not baking, because baking would burn off the alcohol. That was a little test and you guys failed. Okay, so now we have our little mold. We break it out. Slice this up. Oh yeah, it's the Tipsy knife. Oh yeah, the Tipsy knife. Okay, we cut this in fours. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, and then we sprinkled some confectioner's sugar on top, just because it doesn't have enough sugar. You could always use a bit more. And they're delicious, okay?